Hey pet parents, welcome to our rundown of the top 7 smart home devices for pet owners in 2025. Smart home tech is transforming how we care for our furry friends, making it easier to feed, monitor, and keep them safe. These devices offer features like remote access, automation, and seamless integration with platforms like Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Whether you're ensuring timely meals or checking in on your pet from miles away, these gadgets bring peace of mind and keep your pets happy. Let's dive into the best smart feeders, cameras, doors, and more. First up, the Petlibro automatic feeder is a game changer for consistent pet feeding. With 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows remote scheduling of up to 10 meals daily via a smartphone app. Its 5-liter capacity suits small dogs or multiple cats, and precise portion control prevents overfeeding. A low food sensor alerts you when it's time to refill, and it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home for voice commands. Users report it's helped manage their pets' diets, with one owner noting their cat's weight stabilized after use. Perfect for busy schedules or pets with dietary needs. Next, the Furbo 360-degree dog camera keeps you connected with your pet anywhere, anytime. This 1080p HD camera offers a 360-degree view, color night vision, and two-way audio to soothe anxious pets. Its treat-tossing feature, controlled via the Furbo app, engages playful pups, while barking alerts notify you of activity. One user placed it in their living room to catch their dog's antics, reducing separation anxiety. It integrates with Alexa, making it a seamless addition to your smart home. A must-have for monitoring and fun. The PetSafe SmartDoor connected pet door ensures your pet's freedom with top-notch security. Using RFID or microchip technology, it grants access only to your pet, preventing strays or critters from entering. The app lets you lock and unlock remotely and set schedules, ideal for controlling outdoor access. Made with durable materials, it's easy to install and works with Alexa and Google Home. A user praised its apartment-friendly design, keeping their home secure while letting their cat roam safely. Great for safety and independence. For cat owners, the Litter Robot 4 is a lifesaver. This Wi-Fi-enabled self-tweening litter box uses patented sifting technology to remove waste after each use, storing it in a sealed compartment with odor control. The Whisker app tracks litter levels and your cat's habits, helping spot health issues early. It supports up to 4 cats and saves 50% on litter per user reviews. Compatible with smart home systems, it's a low-maintenance solution for a fresher home. Say goodbye to scooping. The Genie Pet Connect Smart Pet Feeder combines feeding with monitoring. Its 1080p HD camera and two-way audio let you watch and talk to your pet while the app schedules meals or dispenses treats. With a 4-liter tank, it handles dry food for days and works with Alexa and Google Home. A user loved its ability to calm their dog's separation anxiety with voice interaction. Its sleek design and battery backup ensure reliability even during outages. Ideal for staying connected. The WOPET Dog Camera DO1 Plus is a cost-effective pet cam with 1080p HD, night vision, and two-way audio. Motion detection sends real-time alerts, and its treat-tossing feature keeps pets engaged. Compatible with smart home platforms, it's easy to set up and use via the WOPET app. A user placed it near their pet's favorite spot, catching every moment. At a lower price point than Furbo, it's perfect for budget-conscious owners who want to monitor and interact remotely. Rounding out our list is the Pawport Smart Pet Door, launching in summer 2025. This high-tech door retrofits over existing flaps, using Bluetooth and a collar tag to allow only your pet through. Its Acrobat-aired and steel construction ensures durability and insulation, saving on energy costs. The Pawport app tracks activity and sets schedules, and it integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Users love its weatherproof design and security, keeping unwanted animals out. A premium choice for modern pet owners. These 7 smart home devices, Petlibro Feeder, Furbo 360-degree camera, PetSafe SmartDoor, Litter Robot 4, Genie Pet Connect, WOPET camera, and Pawport make pet care effortless and secure. They offer automated feeding, real-time monitoring, and safe outdoor access, all while integrating with your smart home. Check out trusted brands like Petlibro, Furbo, and PetSafe and read user reviews to find the best fit. Subscribe for more pet tech reviews and share this video with fellow pet lovers to elevate their pet care game. Here's to smarter homes and happier pets.